Most people get this wrong when their Amazon gift card suddenly stops applying at checkout. They think the card is empty, expired, or even hacked. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the problem is actually a simple account or payment setting issue that takes just a few minutes to fix. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix an Amazon gift card not applying in 2026. We'll go step by step, and I'll also explain the hidden mistakes that cause many users to lose access to their balance without realizing it. First, check if the gift card was actually redeemed to your account. This sounds obvious, but this is where most people fail. Open Amazon, go to your account, then Gift Cards, and check your current balance. Sometimes users like Jake redeem the code on a second account by mistake, and then wonder why the balance never appears during checkout. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Even if the balance is showing, Amazon may still not apply it automatically. This usually happens when you're buying restricted items. For example, some subscriptions, digital products, or third-party seller items may not support gift card payments fully. Here's a quick fix. During checkout, look for the payment section and manually select your Amazon gift card balance as the payment method. A lot of people skip this step because they assume Amazon applies it automatically every time. But here's the problem. If your order total is higher than your gift card balance, Amazon needs a backup payment method like a debit or credit card. Alex had a $50 gift card, but his order was $52. Since no backup card was added, the gift card failed completely. Adding another payment method instantly fixed it. Another common issue in 2026 is account region mismatch. If your Amazon account is set to a different country than the gift card region, the balance may not apply. For example, a US Amazon gift card usually will not work on an Amazon India account. Double-check the country setting inside your account preferences. In a minute, I'll show you the fix that solves many invalid balance errors. Before that, make sure your Amazon app is updated. Older app versions sometimes fail to sync gift card balances properly. Logging out and back into your account can also refresh the payment system. Now here's the easiest fix for stubborn errors. Remove all saved payment methods temporarily, then add them back. This refreshes Amazon's checkout verification system. John tried everything else first, but this one step finally made his gift card apply correctly. If none of these fixes work, contact Amazon support directly through chat. Be ready with the claim code and purchase receipt if possible. Amazon can manually verify whether the card was redeemed, locked, or flagged for security reasons. So, here's the bottom line. Most Amazon gift card issues happen because of checkout settings, account region problems, or missing backup payments. The good news is they're usually easy to fix once you know where to look. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which fix worked for you. That way you might help someone else solve the same problem faster.